Anime physiques look insane. Wide shoulders, tiny waist, sharp lines, and yeah, it feels impossible. But here's the fun part. The anime look is mostly illusion and proportions, not superhuman genetics, and you can actually start building it at home. 1. The anime ratio. The first thing you want is that triangle silhouette, wide on top, tight at the waist. You don't need fancy equipment for this. Just start strengthening the muscles that make your upper body look bigger. Slow push-ups, some pike push-ups, maybe even basic doorway rows. Just better posture and lower overall body fat. When both happen together, your torso instantly starts looking more like those anime frames. 2. Bigger shoulders from home. One thing anime characters always get right: those rounded shoulders that make their upper body look heroic. And yes, you can build that at home. Even a 20 to 30 second wall handstand hold changes your delt strength. Add in some Superman raises on the floor to hit the rear delts, and if you have water bottles lying around, do slow lateral raises. It's simple, but if you're consistent, your shoulders actually start sitting wider and higher. 3. Shrink the waist visually. When your lats and upper back muscles grow, your torso naturally forms that V taper, wide on top, narrow at the bottom. That's what gives the illusion of a tiny waist, even if your waist size stays the same, and you can absolutely build this at home. Try slow, controlled towel lat pull-downs, floor reverse snow angels to hit your rear delts, and chair or doorway rows for thickness. You keep doing these consistently, and your upper body starts getting wider and sharper, exactly like that anime triangle silhouette. Don't skip the Shinobi legs. People think anime physiques are all upper body, but the legs matter too. They're lean, mobile, and have clear shape. And you can build that with simple things like Bulgarian split squats using a chair, slow controlled squats, and high rep calf raises. You don't need heavy weights, just control and consistency. Face aesthetics. To really match the anime vibe, your face plays a role. You can sharpen your jawline by lowering body fat, keeping proper tongue posture, chewing gum or tougher foods, and training your neck with simple at-home movements. Little things like that stack up and make the whole look more drawn and defined. The anime skin. Anime characters never look tired. No eye bags, no puffiness, and you can get closer to that look simply by fixing your sleep and hydration. 7 to 8 hours of sleep, water first thing in the morning, and even managing your salt balance can reduce bloating and make your face look sharper. It's not magic, just habits that make everything else pop. And that's how you build an anime physique at home. No gym, no equipment, just strategy and consistency. If there's a specific anime character or physique you want me to break down next, drop it in the comments.